Let me update the household. Ha. Very, very nice. We are live on YouTube. We are live on everywhere. Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Today is what is it? Thursday? 1, 2, 3, 4. Day 4 of the Prop to Payout Challenge, where we start at an eval and then go all the way to a payout. Ha ha ha. Very, very nice. I thought you were going to say we slept there watching Suits. We did watch Suits as we ate our pad thai. Typing while shitting. Yesterday was a fantastic class, premium. I hope you enjoyed it. All the premium got the new indicator, which is an absolute banger. Absolutely banging out. Ha ha ha. All right, here we go. Time for the the ultimate transparency question. Who traded last night and how are your accounts looking? Or who traded pre-market? Whose account has a P&L today that isn't zero before market open? It's time to tell the truth. Oh, Zulu up $170. Very, very nice. AG says, guy thinks I traded. Oh. Huh. You didn't trade? Good for you. Tilted last night? Come on, Pop. I don't understand why people do that. Like, you know how many times I see in chat, someone's like, oh my god, I started red today, and now you guys got me to BE, or you guys got me slightly green. You know if you just didn't trade, and you waited until New York AM open session, you might pass more accounts. Green passed 3 more combines. Green in a few fundeds. Beautiful. Mr. Mdoles, wow. I love you, even though you don't have the P-Hub tag. I'm 100% guilty of that. A lot of people are. Wow, look at Flacquis. Flacquis. Mr. Flack. Up $1,074. Camper up $750 from last night. Evals almost passed. Beauty. Good morning, Kamara. With the account you guys gave me. Isn't that beautiful? We love to see that. You know, it's fun to give away accounts, but it's more fun to see people actually pass those accounts or get payouts from them. Kind of banger. Very, very nice. The chart today. How is the chart looking? Very interesting. I like longs more for today, if I'm being completely honest. We are below a CE of a giant 4-hour base that I have drawn out, and the CE is 455. So if we can hold above basically 450 and then reclaim 24,500, then I would expect semi-longer term for the rest of the day to be up. Tradeovate is ass. I blew the account trying to close with limits. Messed up. Trying to close with... Yo, listen, if you're at a point in a trade where, like, you have to get out, just get out. You know what I mean? Like, wasting time or spending time trying to, like, make sure you capture as much. Like, especially when people accidentally enter on MNQs and they see, oh no, I'm down like 150. And then they're like, okay, I'll just hold. And then like, wait till BE. Or if I'm slightly green, then I'll close. The next thing you know, you're down 900. When like, you shouldn't have even been there in that trade in the first place. Close that bitch. Oh, Ace of Trades agrees. Huh. Wow. Wow. Every time we thought. Very, very nice. Ace, join the Discord. Do it now. Cause every time we touch. Ooh. Look at that dumpy. Wowzers, looks like we could not reclaim. It's ADR low. Hello, Mr. Ace of Trades.
Hi. Sorry.
Ha!
Trying to go live.
I understand. I understand. Da-na-na-na. We have home sales at 10 a.m. No news Friday. It's probably gonna be ass, especially because FOMC was this week. Da-na-na-na. 100 points in 10 seconds. Was it 100? I'm not even really like... Hori Mori. 100 points in 10 seconds. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie. After yesterday's PA and FOMC yesterday, and we're 32 ATR on the 2, I think PA is gonna be nice and volatile and hopefully clean. Pre-market looks pretty decent, respecting levels and shit. What do you think, Mr. Ace? Actually, you do your thing first. I understand. I'm gonna be more patient today.
We're not going live today.
Oh no, it's not working.
Because you pulled the source for the cam, it will go live. You have to activate it. We'll do it.
We'll do it
later.
tomorrow.
Yeah. No big deal.
No big deal. All right. Yo, chat. You guys don't seem so excited. So, do you think we should just not share screen today?
We'll do that tomorrow. We'll do that.
Who wants that? Who wants no screen share today?
Yeah.
JJ,
That's
you're
a good
muted.
idea, though.
That's Cap. He thinks he's funny. Ha ha ha.
Ram socials. Huh.
We'll survive without screen for one day. Please share that screen. We are not excited because you all are not. Ha! Let me get excited. For real, for real. Come on now, bruh. Come on now, bruh. How about this? How about Ace doesn't share his screen until I see this chat blowing up with messages, and then once I see some excitement,
Then he will consider it. Huh. Done it again.
then he will consider. Oh, looks like people don't want the screen. I understand. That's okay. Huh. Wow. Watch it. Watch it. Very nice. All right. What do you think about today? Please, please, please. Please do it. Don't hide from me, please.
There we go. We've done it again. 75% on that option.
I'm here, not available. What's up, brother? Very, very nice. Guys, when do we get a confirmation on the giveaway account? On what? On the Instagram? That one we're literally doing today. We were just talking about it. We already gave them away though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we already gave them away. We just
Yeah, check the stories. The stories is where we announce the giveaway winners.
No, the top ones. We already did the top ones.
Look at the giveaway channel.
Go and see if you see your name. And if you see your name, then you should get an email from top one. Sometimes when we touch. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Yes,
All right.
I have my name, but nothing from top one. Very, very interesting. Okay, we'll ask the top one guy if he sent them out.
Have you checked your portal? Portal.top1.
Yeah, check
Cheers.
because your email that's linked to your top one.
Yeah.
They might have like just sent it to your account and then just go to contracts and then sign it.
Because every other person has said they
Yes, I
received
did.
it.
Nothing in there. We'll check again. Yeah, people have received it.
You cannot make it seem like you are the exception to get another account.
Oh, I didn't get it. Was
Oh,
waiting.
Eric too. Oh,
Okay, we'll ask them and see what's up. Did you guys make sure? Like, is that email the email connected to your top one? Because they send it through the email. So if your top one email is different than the email you gave, then that's why. Good morning, Kanyesus.
I want to see a short potentially right here if we can sweep through that open wick.
I agree with the potentials. Cause sometimes when we touch. What? You don't like to touch? Wait, what?
And me?
I don't get it.
Okay. Get into that position there. We tested those lows here at 30. It reclaims above 50. See, and then I'll do an add-in to get into a full position if it breaks that 30.
Into? What are you doing?
Guys, my ADHD today is bonker.
Oh my God, you should have seen him before stream.
Who's? Prove it. That's what I thought.
Production might be Russian.
Pardon?
What?
Russian.
Hmm?
Yeah, that was definitely an early entry. Should have waited for the full close below that wick. Tested under, got super aggressive with it, but we'll see if I get stopped out. And the position is still valid if it breaks that 30.
Where is your SL, Mr. Ace of Trades? Is it at 80?
76, 75. Otherwise, it would have to be at like 90. So I have a quicker invalidation
I
right
understand.
now. I don't like that it's holding that 350 personally. Yeah, 350 is the level I gave to premium this morning.
Damn. Did you see what Euro said? He said, did you see the recall on 5 ends? I guess it wasn't working. Something wrong with the batch from manufacturing. Huh. Interesting.
I told the boys when I got my meds that mine felt like janky when I got it. It was like the dosage was like triple. I just got stopped out. That's fine.
Sometimes.
Sometimes I'll be touching.
I mean, that was a
nice
light
bounce though
entry.
off that
Yeah.
350 because that's what I wanted. I wanted either the bounce of 50 or the break of 330.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
How kind. Very nice, very kind.
How kind and how nice.
I
need
just
water.
tested 400. So could get very interesting. Could easily come back down. Got into a little scalp, but doesn't seem to be working out. The scalps, guys, I'm not going to put the R to R on screen just so it makes sense. But I did get in along here at 24, 390, which it's coming down. We got an aggressive open today, so I'd be careful with today's PA. Would you agree, John?
I was just about to say, I agree. I'm definitely gonna be more patient today.
I can confirm that yesterday's account is now fully passed. We hit bangers in premium and during the live class yesterday, so that was sick. Currently green right now on this trade as it's testing that 400 still.
Wait, so does that mean the official prop to payout funded starts Monday?
That is correct. We hit it in minimum days. So the first two accounts, literally first and second day, finished. And then that third account, I did pop twice to try to get it passed, but it is now fully passed after 2 attempts.
All right, so going into Monday with 3 fundeds.
Well, the third one won't be ready until like
Oh, yeah.
Wednesday, Thursday, but yeah.
You just gotta do the flip days.
Yeah.
Is it gonna be a chill day today? It's always a chill day. Unless you want to dance, then you can get excited.
Here's the 400 still testing.
Now, if this 400 breaks, I'm expecting a push to like at least 450.
Yeah. I said I wasn't going to put the R to R on screen, and I did. Oops. Not for this trade.
Not really. I want to trade. I understand. We're trading.
That was up 15 points only.
What do you think we're doing here?
Kind of getting a little bit more validation if it holds at
Dancing.
85, but it still needs to break 410 essentially, for the move to occur.
Mm, 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 mm,
But
mm, mm.
as of right now, we still have uh, lower highs being put in and lower lows. So we need to see this thing crack. Otherwise, the short is still extremely valid. With that break of 410 right there, guys, as this thing is beginning to climb, I am going to move my stop up. Again, it was just supposed to be a scalp, but that thing is up 35 points now, 40 points, ripping 50.
Beauty.
Not 50, 45, sorry. Not going to cap. So first main target is going to be 50 to 75. So trailing my stop up right now to right underneath that 410. And then as we touch 450, going to go super aggressive with my stop. And there it is. Beautiful
Mm-hmm.
fucking trade, guys.
Wow.
There's 58 points. And I had no time to even move. But moving my stop,
Wow.
that
So
was
simple, so easy. That 450 was perfect.
right. Very nice. Nice target,
Hey,
guys.
Zulu, good catch. Good shit, brother. Who else caught that? Super easy.
If we break that 450, we'll see 475. And then that's when we could potentially see
Potential.
potentials of a break of structure and potential flip of this short term downtrend that we
Oh, look
have
at
going on.
Zulu. What a legend. Instantly put the P&L in the testes. He is a real testy kind of guy.
Let me
I had to
see it.
manually close since my limit didn't get filled. That's
Yeah,
completely fine.
nice.
Shout out. Ready for another payout from Tradeify with that. Beauty.
W. Let's go.
Let's go. W's
I love when
for
you guys
yourselves.
print
I know.
literally on like the first one or two trades.
Yeah. Very, very sexy. Everybody should be green. Huh. Very nice. Share your testes in the testes. I got an L on my stream account. Little copy trade fail. What happened? What did you do?
Probably wasn't copy traded and put all the cons in the account.
Oh. Mm.
Yep.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the worst.
That's happened to us so many times. That's literally probably one of the most like
Mistakes? 100%.
mistakes
100%.
when copy trading on Tradeabate.
See you
All
guys
the
later.
new.
Gonna go listen to some earnings calls. Later, Buffett.
Later, Buffett. Love you. Let's see if it
I
breaks
should
this
lock that
50
suck
here.
up.
Yeah.
I want to see 55 break. That's my CE. I have a 4-hour CE.
Love to see that 50 break, but that thing is still testing. Board. I forgot to. Oops.
Hmm.
See 25 get that.
Very interesting. Who's ready for another banger? Done for the day. Beautiful. Fire.
Getting a little scalpy. Again, I'm not going to announce the scalps, guys. Just having fun on my own end.
We would love to, but they're just too hard to follow. They're too quick.
Yeah.
Like unless you're
Ace of trades.
slightly like unless you're ace of trades
Just
and
joking.
no, unless you're like slightly autistic and you're super duper quick with executing, you'll just get cooked. Mm. Yo, chat, who's actually excited for the prop to payout challenge? Who's like ready for the payout? For the potential payout?
I
Potentials.
was going to say, like, shit, bro.
Potentially.
It's coming back down, guys. Let's see. I want to see some magic happen here.
Magical?
Yeah. Something magical happen.
Like a reversal off the 420?
Wow. No. You slew bag.
Hmm.
I hate when I move my stops way too slow. And then it just dynamically freaking takes you out too quick.
Didn't do the challenge, but I'm excited for everyone who participated. That's on some type There were some people literally saying, they're like, "Yo, I'm just gonna skip the eval, and I'm just gonna get the fundeds when you guys are on the fundeds." Which makes sense. If you have the money to do it, and you wanna just skip, you could just straight up grab the fundeds
To
and
the
then
loo?
follow on Monday.
Skip to the loo?
Skip to the what?
Skip to my loo. Louie. Looking at me like he's bluey.
Remember, guys, if you're gonna buy any props, you might as well get the best discount code possible and
By using what?
by using code PHUB. That is code PHUB on all the props. We got the best discount, and it helps support us so that we can keep the streams 100% free.
Here's that 400 test, guys. So we could easily just massively slide from here now
Mm-hmm.
as we come back under.
I want to see if we can hold that 400. We smashed through
That's
it
what
last time.
That's what I'm testing right now on a scalp.
Very nice.
Very nice, very kind. Bro, you got that head.
What? Pasta song? Sometimes when we thought
It all just seems too much.
I want to print tonight.
You know what I hate about some props on Tradeovate?
What?
Some of them won't group the stop, and then some of them do group the stop. So like sometimes I assume it's gonna group it.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
I've noticed that, and I didn't even think about it until you said
Nice
it.
catch and bounce off of that.
Nice, off the 400.
Yeah.
Beauty. I mean, he's not announcing the scalps, but you can see his screen. I'm being patient. I haven't taken shit.
Nice.
Not gonna lie. Same. It comes off as 2 trades sometimes. With the stop, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was per prop. I just low-key assumed it was a bug.
Every prop has their own like built-in
I'd
default
rather it
settings.
not group. You know what I mean? Like, I have multiple stops for a reason. I'd rather you just, like, leave me alone. Let me do my thing.
See, I agree, but because I've gotten so used to grouping it, now I almost assume that it's gonna group it and drag it, and then it's like it only trimmed out one. It's like fuck, I wanted it to group all.
See, for me, what I do is, like, let's say my stop, I want it to be at 50. I, like, put them, like, 1 tick behind each other so that they don't group. Very, very nice.
Bum 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 bum. Hurrah! Bum 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 bum.
Yo,
bum,
who's
hurrah.
passed
Dun, dun,
who's
dun.
passed their evals this week? By the way, like, who's ready with their fundeds?
There it is, guys, at
Wow.
50.
Banger
That was a nice catch at the bottom, but
at the
at the
bottom.
bottom.
We're
we'll see.
not at the bottom right there.
This test 75 and then 500. Little stop low.
Well, for me, that's a close above CE. Retest to 55.
Yep.
I'm gonna do an eval next week. I understand. I completely understand.
Talk about it. Ooh, baby. Nice. Beautiful. There's that 75, guys. Getting super aggressive with my stop now and just constantly trailing from here. Let it test that 75. Let it breathe. Might take me out. Hoping it doesn't. Tested 80. Moving my stop to 74 and just seeing where this thing goes now.
I think it
73,
should
74.
test 500. 500 test would be nice.
Yeah. There's 80 and constantly
Mhm.
dragging my stop. Super aggressive now, guys. There's
Nice.
90. Boom. And into the green for today's session from my original position. That is now 100 points.
W's in the chat. Pew 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 pew. Shots fired.
Pew,
Bang.
pew, 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 pew. Wow.
Ha! You've got to be kidding me.
I need my meds so bad today.
Who likes Ace off his meds? Are you more excited off or on?
Am I more?
OMG, my ears. Oh, Euro, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did that even pick up? I don't even think that picked up. Ace, was your entry at like 401? What was your entry? No, like from this 400 bounce.
Oh, I kept scalping through.
Huh.
There's
what a legend.
500 that we are calling. And 500 is another level that I gave to premium.
So sexy. You broke it. PDPT for Zulu. Beautiful. Maurice. $4,684.16. Bro. Put it in the testimonials channel. All right, wait, hold on. All the 66 people in here, I have something very serious I have to say. All right? It's like 95% serious because sometimes I'm a little bit silly. So this is what I'm about to say. Are you ready for this? Okay. We here at Prophub think that we do a lot for you guys. And we love to do it. We love to see everybody print and get a lot of value. And we put in a lot of effort. At bare minimum, you guys could engage with our socials to help us grow.
At least you can do is sometimes when I touch.
Seriously though, you know?
It all just seems
It-
too
It is
much.
very helpful for you
And
guys
we
to
all
comment
know
on posts,
where
for you
we
guys to
all
like
go
posts. Not available. You're a goat. I
today.
always see your comments. But how come when we give away an account, we see like 50 people from the Discord comment, but then just to be a nice guy and engage with our posts, we don't see that many. I don't
Sometimes
really
when I'll
understand.
touch, it all will seem too
So we would
much.
appreciate it if you guys would engage with our socials and help us grow so that we can grow bigger and bigger and bigger and help more people and show off the transparency and teach people to raise their standards when it comes to following people. And then because we're bigger and bigger and bigger, we'll have way more accounts to give away. I would love to do 50 account giveaways every day, but if I did that, we would have to shut down.
We're
So yeah,
already
engage
close
your
to
socials.
shutting down. We're already close to shutting down, Sir Jonathan.
Here, let me put it this way. When I first met Ace of Trades, I engaged with socials so heavy that now I am his business partner. So if you would like to be Ace's business partner, please engage with the socials.
It's
Anyway.
basing here. This thing could continue to pop through that 500.
But what a
We'll
peak
see.
100 point move, 400 to 500. That was so easy. There's like literally no drawdown.
If it goes underneath 78, 75, that thing might just absolutely dump. But that thing is testing 500. It is above now. I think we can get interesting here. What do you think, John?
I agree.
Oh, ha, my new indicator rendered. I didn't even notice.
Wow. That means everybody's new indicator rendered. All the premium members
All premium, yeah.
got it for free. Ha! Congratulations.
Is it free if they're in premium?
Now,
Got back in, guys, with that 500 break and hold. So we'll see if this thing can continue to hold or if it legit comes to a slide after a little bit of a displacement. Having my stop right around 75 right now for a full move. It is underneath 500, so that could have just been the liquidity grab. If it can hold that 500, then I'll even get the add in.
I would like a short from 500, but I gotta wait for confirmation.
I like completely understand.
I just added the indicator and it says access error trying to fix. How did people fix that yesterday? Because a bunch of people it worked, and then some people said it was error. Did you
You have to reset.
like refresh your trading view? Is that what they have to do?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like fully close and refresh your trading view, and then re-add it, and then see if it works. So I added 2 more accounts yesterday just for funsies. See you guys on the green side next. Plus
Oh, that
$4,700
came
on one
down real
account
hard.
and plus
I might get
4,500 on
stopped
another.
out.
What a legend. Look at Kels printing on TPT. Bounced
Off of
off
that
493 going
500,
for dick. Very interesting.
I might have to reverse here. We'll see where this candle goes. Literally came back to the base. Loosest stop 65.
I'm gonna wait. Be patient.
That
Kinda
touched that
easy with the
0.5
evals.
perfectly
Yeah.
on the indicator.
But that indicator is such a banger. My last con gonna break me even today. Very nice. For all the people that are on Twitch and on YouTube, hello, welcome to the stream. If you would like to join the Discord, then just do it because it's 100% free. And on the Discord, you also do get to see Ace's trade of 8. So, yeah, you get to see everything.
Getting a tapped. See?
Evolves in 5 days. Oh, you know what I want to ask? Actually, I'll wait for your trade.
You're good.
Okay.
Tapped.
So back, like I'm just curious about this. I want to see if the times have changed or if it's the same. So back in Concord, when Ace used to do, like the challenges, like the trading challenges, what people would do, and I'm also one of them, is they would like multiply whatever he's doing. So like let's say he's trading with options with like $1,000. People would go in with like 5 and just like 5x his plays. Are there people here who are heavily like trying to copy trade for the challenge? I'm just curious. Has it gotten less degen or more degen in the past 5 years? Actually, what do you think? Do you think it was more degen before?
100%.
All right.
On options, people were way more degen. I don't know. It's so like it's different circumstances.
Yeah.
I couldn't even tell you.
Where do we get the indicator? I'm in premium. If you go to the WAP, you'll see under premium a new tab called Trading View, and then you can put your Trading View username in there and then claim access. And then just refresh your Trading View, and you should be able to add it in indicators and then invite only. Refresh worked. Nice, boys. All right, dope. So yeah, if anybody can't see it, just refresh and it should work. Sometimes when we touch, it always. Thank you, JJ. You are filled with wisdom. Hello. I have a lot of wisdom.
He's a man of many words, but little. What?
I have so much wisdom, in fact, that the government told me that I need to remove my wisdom teeth so that they could nerf me. They had to remove them. So now they were gone. Indicator is awesome. On the indicator, what does it mean? LOH and LOL. Take a guess. Don't tell
LOL
them.
is laughing. LOH is laughing on head.
No, not available. I wanted him to guess. Me smart, you smart.
Does break
Smart.
500 again. I will be entering the long guys, and that one is like full confidence. So we'll see if we can get the hold here of that 500.
Look at that. You was kind. You was smart. Oh wait, wow. Okay.
Sometimes when I touch, it always seems like too much. We're not getting that full hold just yet. Still testing 500. Getting volatile here. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down in this 1 second. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I am waiting. Waiting, skating.
Close target is 530. Other than that, I could see 24 550, which that level was given
Ooh,
a premium. There's
nice
that
pop.
530, literally just got tested.
Oh yeah, we got that close above 500.
Yeah.
Retest, reclaim. Very simple.
And
Very
there's
simple.
your 618 for your indicator users. That just got tapped and literally dropped from that 530. Beautiful target, but I would like to see a hold.
Uh
I didn't
huh.
even move my stop after that target. I want the next one.
I want the next one.
I want the next
The
one.
next one. And the next one. Everybody wanna know what to do. Do. Yo, would you want to do a karaoke stream? Are you down?
That sounds like the worst thing I could ever think.
Cite up $5,935,
5,100
baby.
204
And right there,
alarm force.
bro, see, Cite knows what's up. Using Trade Syncer, copy trading all those accounts, up $340. But that $340 is now $6,000. Copy trading at its finest point. If it holds London low, can we see shorts? I mean, I think 500 is like pretty good confluence to know about those shorts. It always seems too much. But the reason why I say that not available is like London lows just above 500. So like you might as well get that clean confirmation of the 500, you know? Like anytime I have major levels stacked very close to each other, like within 5-10 points, depending on what I'm planning to risk and like what my SL should be, I'd rather just wait for like the full confirmation and not get a bounce off 500, you know? Because it feels like longs, but then again, it can sweep London low. I understand. I would love shorts from here. I need a proper confirmed close and break of that 500. And I really think it would work out nice.
And I'm touching to my chinks.
Not 542 first. I understand. That makes sense. I get it. Yo, who's done for the day, by the way?
A lot of people.
Like, I
I'm
feel like
still in this long, guys.
those first few trades were too banger, and then people just start leaving because it's like, haha, I went to Prophub, I made all this money, now I'm leaving and not engaging with socials. Ha ha ha.
And not engaging with social. That is under 500 now. I'd be careful here. See how this candle reacts. And sucked back up. Liquidity. Grab
Okay,
it.
I just had a good idea based off what Cite said. For all the premium people who are using the indicator, we're completely open to like suggestions of certain things. Like Cite said, is there a way to move the indicator line names over? They are real offset. You guys are basically like the beta testers. So if there's
You can move the fib lines, but in terms of the levels, not yet. I was gonna do that for the next version actually already. So you
Mhm.
can move the fib lines as much as you want, but in terms of the actual level set, that one you cannot.
fib lines is what I'm talking about.
Yeah, you can move the fib lines.
There you go.
Cause sometimes when I'm touchings, it always seems too much inks.
Ace of Trades is now my ringtone. That'd be hilarious. And that's why you wait for confirmation. Yeah, we broke the 500, but I'm waiting for that
And then it
close.
just
And
popped.
look at that suck up.
It legit tapped me out and popped.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Hey. Sometimes you're typing, sometimes you're shitting.
But sometimes you're typing while you're shitting.
And that's when you win in life. When you do both. Show you Saturday. Bet.
And it put you in. Short, plus a little green. Best out.
I guess it does not want to give me the closing.
It's literally moving sideways from here.
Yeah. The thing that's annoying is like I could fully see this candle
You can see
like
it.
pushing the short down, but like I'm not entering before confirmation, you know? Long 467. Euro, say that again. For what? I can't read.
No.
What? What? I don't get it.
You were trying to stab it.
I don't get it. Do we long if it goes to 4? I can't see that. I don't understand. 4 what? 4 what? Very interesting. Discord must be broken. I think I need you to send a voice message of you saying it. No, you need to pause. It has periods. Do we long if it goes to? I don't understand. You want to help me out? Can you read that? I think my Discord's bugged. You've got to be skidding me.
No, I hate you. For real, bro.
Man. You know what we should do? That I think would make us like super duper
Dance.
super duper
We
rich.
should dance.
Now let's make a Roblox map where you can actually live trade and connect to the internet, so that like people in Roblox can start passing evals. You know what I mean?
I think I made $20 this week. That's a banger. Because you know what they say? $20, you have McDonald's.
$20, shot callers. I might enter the short if this closes what I like. Oh wow, look at that suck up and close that I don't like. What a finesser.
Yeah, it's literally just doing nothings.
I can't pass eval in real life. How me gonna do it in Roblox? Why are you talking like that? How me gonna do it in Roblox? Me can't.
How do you expect
Pass.
me to react?
Me can't pass a bomb.
Sometimes when he's touching.
But guys, if you use code PHUB on Roblox, you get a discount on V-Bucks. V-Bucks? Robux. I'm confused.
It will always seem too much things.
Bro, me looking at the chart right now, it's like one of those where it's either gonna completely go without me without my confirmation, or as soon as it confirms, it's gonna dump.
Ace gonna be a Fortnite skin soon. And it just speaks Philippine.
Putangina mo. Salamat adobo.
When you're
Roblox is
looking at
better
me
not mention.
funny.
Wait, what's Roblox going through? Some PR deep shit right now? What'd they do?
They are getting shilled.
What happened?
You actually didn't hear?
Recently?
happened?
Something
Yeah.
happened? No.
Yeah.
I heard a long time. I heard like a while ago some crazy shit happened, which I completely forgot until you said. Wait, but what are you talking about? Cannot say here, not trolling, check DM? Oh shit. Oh! I mean like low key, that actually makes so much sense. Like why is that not surprising?
What happened? Are you allowed to say it?
No. I mean,
Was it the thing with ice?
no.
Well, tell me.
Man, what a shitty, like weird ass. I'm in short. I just entered short. I'm in it. SL has to be kind of deepliest. Kind of deepliest. Huh. That looks like we are printing. Alright. Here we go. I'm targeting like near 50 basically. My entry is 82.75. Could be slightly better, but like by not that much. Waiting for the short. I want to see 30 points at least and go near
Ace,
450.
your data is delayed. I know. Trust me, I know.
Did you guys see all the shit with TGR getting exposed? Yeah, we talked about that yesterday. Damn, look at that pumpy. It's kind of redonkulous, but guess what? My SL's at 31 and you will not come near me. Don't even try it. Ha! You're trying to trick me. You are trying to trick me.
1,000.
You're trying to trick
so you
me.
want to get in
Oh,
a
what
hundred?
is that?
No. No, because you like.
All right, yo,
Oh,
hold on. Can we talk about something right now? What is that candle?
I'm gonna lock out.
Like, you've got to be skidding me.
Lock it.
That's 75 points in like 30 seconds. What the hell? I spelled it out with periods. Yo, all I remember from your message is you said 6-7. What did he say? I gotta scroll up
He
now.
said 45.
45?
Yeah, it tapped 45.
40. Oh yeah, going up before going down. I understand. I understand it. Last candle, 467. Oh, it's like you prophesied. You had the prophecies. Ow. Sometimes when we touch.
It all just seems too muchings.
Ace, do you have any plans for the weekend?
I actually do.
Oh, really?
This weekend on the Saturday, I actually see Buffett and his
Sure.
fiance. Tomorrow, I have to take Jill because she has to get a prenatal massage. On Sunday, we have, or she has a birthday party to go to. I don't have anything.
I understand. If I get a reconfirmation, I will re-enter the short. No Baplius. No Baplius McCaplius. Don't even try to trick me. Cause sometimes when we touch.
It will
Whoa.
all just seem too much.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
Hold on. Wait a minute. I'm re-entering the short. I'm in. I sell at the high. I'm fading you, Euro. You think I care? Do you really think that I care, Mr. Euro? At a sweep of that low, if we get a sweep of that like 68, I'm a BE and just ride it. He just said he's busy Saturday. You're not even paying attention. You have too much contention. If this trade is an L2, I'm gonna close out. It is what it is. I follow the system. Systematically. Systematically, I follow the system. Lickle green over here. Just want to see that 500 continuation break. I've been using Bookmap for some weeks. So that's why I haven't been too much into the streams, man. This shit is goated for real. I understand. I know some bookmappers.
Is Kels in here?
Yep.
Kels, you want to know something so sad? Or everyone in here, technically? I'm waiting for Kels to respond. I'm not saying it because Kels.
Sometimes when we're touching.
I think Rams needs the meds too today. Sometimes when we're touching, it'll all just seems too much. No, because that's part of my
Mm.
story, but he's not responding. I was gonna tell him how I wanted to load up on more evals for TPT so I could have a full set, but then I locked myself out, guys, for the full day.
Oh yeah.
So I legit cannot use Tradeovate because they legit locked the whole platform as opposed to locking the accounts.
Mhm.
What goofies?
Which I mean, actually, that's stupid.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, he was like, I that. He's like, yeah. He's like, that is my favorite thing about the lockout feature from Tradeovate. It's that's how you can avoid trading altogether. And now he's like, I fucking hate that shit.
all right, that was the retest of 500. I want to see a full flip and sweep of that low. All right, getting a little too loud. Once we get a sweep of that 6-9, maybe 6-9 is a better number. Is that 6-9 low? Yeah. My entry's 501. If we get a sweep of that 6-9, which is 30 points, I'm gonna BE and try to ride that bitch down. What? Look at these guys playing basketball. Hmm. Very interesting. Very, very. Hmm. Yo!
It's trading.
Holy.
Underhand.
I want to see the dumpy. Oh yes, I do.
Literally chalk.
Look at these basketballers. Yo, give me a ball. Ball me. What's this? Kobe. Oh.
Kobe.
Oh. NQ is lagging? What's CS doing? Lagging how? Lagging in what which way? Here we go. Getting back down. Let me get that sweep so I can beat this bitch, man. Let me get a sweep. ES is lower than NQ. Oh. What the hell? My ES was lagging. I didn't even see that update. There we go. That's a sweep. I'm gonna BE here. If I get taken out, I get taken out. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. Mm-hmm. Here we go. I'm gonna start trailing. I'm gonna trail to like 80. I like it. Am I gonna get tapped out? I got tapped. I made some gains back. I understand. Very understandable. This chop is too garbage. Look at that suck up. What are you guys doing right now?
He's getting jealous. Bro.
I understand. I mean, that from my entry was 40 points.
W John. Can we get W's in the chat for Jan?
No, I don't want W's. It wasn't good enough. 40 points? What do you think I am?
40 points, 5 minutes.
I'm hungry. Ow, my abs. That shit hurts. Lomenko, what is
From my
this PS2 bubble ass screen I'm looking at right now?
Heat map.
Yeah, that was a good selling for me.
Prop City guys, be careful here.
Kill me. Wait.
Cause sometimes when we touch, it always feels the same. You guys holding the boat up? Is that on some type shit? What are you guys playing?
Quick
playing
game
PH?
of PH.
Why you guys are playing PH without me? That's crazy. I understand. No, I get it.
Yep.
No, I get it. No, I get it. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it.
Don't even worry about me.
That's
Okay.
the continuous.
This actually looks good for a short.
For real. I got fucking taken out of that bitch.
Still locked.
Wait, how long did you lock yourself for? Why?
Caught up.
I understand. Very understandable. Sometimes when we touch. When we touch.
Oh.
Ole. Look at that continuation short. Mori. There's the unload for real. Damn, he redemptioned you?
What?
You lose? Or you
I
won?
won.
Type shit. Was a good short? For real. I just played it a little too tight. You know what's so funny? It literally just had to chop for one more candle. Just to take me. And then
Oh, yeah.
continue. Yeah. But that's okay. I follow the system. I don't really give a shit what happens, as long as I follow the system. I retested prior candle POC and then dumped. For real. I mean, in hindsight, I could. No, not even. Like, no. I don't give a fuck. 0-1. Like, if I BE'd, I would have gotten BE'd.
Yeah.
And then I would have made nothing back. So it is all okay. It's all based on my contention. Ole. Feeling hot. Dun. Feeling hot.
How's everyone doing today? You guys green or red? You guys in chop? You guys get cooked? Or what? How are you doing today, John?
Slightly red,
Me too.
which is okay.
But we hit those Globex bangers, so kind of just chilling for today. My ADHD is through the roof. We stayed in office way too long yesterday.
For real, I'm
And
leaving right away.
I think we're legit all leaving right now.
Hey, look at that. Look at
I'm
Flack.
hungry too.
Flacqua said, nope, I'm back to green thanks to Jay. Flack took the short.
Yeah, you guys were
Managed it.
here late. To be
Dude.
fair, it's because I was using the washroom, so John had to start without me. And we were trying to set up a new feature for everyone, which is not applicable to you guys, but we are going to be live on TikTok as well. Soon, not yet. So there was good reason as to why we were late, okay?
Yeah, and fucking, but you guys are late all the time. Type shit. You think we're ticking and talking? They're trying to trick me. Who's going to be dancing in TikTok?
It's me. And Rams. We were on the same dance team together. Now we will be dancing the night away.
Dance the night away. Mina, mina. Bum, bum, bum. Brum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. What did you say?
What the fuck are you trying to say?
Up so much.
I understand.
There's a full.
You should make some winning trade dance, a PDPT dance, and an MLL dance. That's pretty good. You know what's very annoying? No, you know what's very annoying? Look at this. Right here is supposed to be my trigger for... Hello? Oh. Shit. So right here, supposed to be my trigger for BE. I thought we hit it. But we never actually hit it. And then this is where I got taken out.
Oh, we're.
I was supposed to hit it here. And then I'd be trailing. That is an execution error. I was too zoomed out. It's okay.
You made money.
It's okay. It is what it is. I was just a little too zoomed out.
Oh, trading.
It's okay. It's okay. No, I was just showing production. I technically shouldn't have BE'd. But I was zoomed out, so it looked like it hit my line. But it didn't. Very interesting, very funny, very nice. User error, but it's okay. I still made some money. Chat, please send your dances to general chat. Ooh. The best dance wins an account. Leaning more to short? Yeah, it's definitely short. I think we'll go to like 360. For real, for real. I think we can literally dump. Are you sure about that? Very interesting, very funny. Bum 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 bum. Realistically, a good TP though is like 400 to 392. That swing low, that 400. The salsa count, I'm talking about dancing. Yeah, any dance. Oh, you
I like to dance.
I like to dance. Yeah, if you're talking about dancing, we are financial advisors when it comes to dancing. And now it's time for you to dance. Ha! Very funny. Oh man, this is like not... This is not good for my mental. I'm gonna start calculating if I would still be in. Huh.
I like this one here. That one right here
Yeah.
shows me confidence.
The
The whole time we were playing, I kept looking back, and my ADHD is just flying straight to that box.
No, you know what? This box is 20 points. So I use it to like visually be able to like know, like to trail. If I want to trail 20 points, I could just like drag the box and see 20 points. Why are you on the floor? Why do I have to look at the numbers and start calculating? Like, oh, we're at 65, which means, okay, now I have to go to 85. All right, let me look where 85 is. Drag the box. Very simple. Look at this. Look, Rams. Where's 20 points from this candle? Oh, you're too slow. 20 points is right there. Look at that. Oh, you want to trail 20 points on this? Oh, look at that. It'll actually be like this.
What is 73?
Yeah, but then you got to go and you got to look at 73 and you got to be like, oh, 73. Okay. Yeah, I don't have to look for anything. No, I don't have to look. All right. You know what, guys? You know what they're talking shit about? Look, they're talking shit. They're talking shit about my random floating 20-point box in my trade phase. Not actually.
Because you know when you trail your SL, you have to drag it by the numbers.
Yeah, but I like visually seeing it. They're making fun of me for no reason. I think that is a very valid box.
Just to
They're hating just to hate. No, guys, is it not valid? Instead of having to like look at price and calculate points, you just make a box the size of your points, and then you visually drag your box around. I feel like it's very valid. Oh my god, these guys are talking about Chick-fil-A now.
You're gonna say that's not a idea?
What do you mean? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is so. Wow.
Oh,
Bro, that's actually annoying. That is actually annoying. If I actually saw that I properly like shouldn't have BE'd, my final take would have been 3250 from 9750. Wow. The more you know, y'all are addicted to Chick-fil-A. As a guy who used to work there, I hate it. Adri, don't sit there and tell me Chick-fil-A sauce is an absolutely banger. Like Chick-fil-A sauce is absolutely banger. You can't tell me the sauce it doesn't taste amazing.
It's actually pretty ass.
Chick-fil-A sauce is so bad for you, bro. I know. You know how many cows is in one packet? You know how many packets we go through when we get Chick-fil-A?
Saying we is crazy.
Oh, yeah, like you go through one.
No, okay. But how many do you go through versus how many do I go through?
You on average probably actually go through 3.
No.
Cap.
You
You eat the whole large fries in
you
2?
not see how I dip? I know me and Rams are very similar. You're like 6 versus R2.
Bro, I
Every
dip that
single
bitch.
time, yo, when me and Rams were sharing the one, we didn't even finish one.
Bro, you guys dip like pussy.
Like I legit do a dip.
If we get
John does a scoop.
Bro, I get my fucking waffle fry and I
He
eat that
Chick-fil-A,
bitch.
1.5 on fries, and then half on.
I will go through 5 on fries, which is like 1,000 calories. But it's okay. Don't worry.
But
You're literally the clipper.
Did you say chat clip that?
Oh, how about this? Let's do a giveaway. First person to clip.
Don't have giveaway counts.
No, listen. No. This is watch this. Listen, and this is cemented in stone right now. First person to make and upload a reel, like of a clip of stream and hit 100,000 views, we will give you $5,000 cash.
Bro, they're gonna bot it.
And if you bought it, it doesn't count. It has to be real.
I will always think you've bought it, so you'll never win.
You told them the trick.
Oh my god. Adri. CFA sauce? You are Canadian or certified or chartered financial analyst?
Very, very interesting. Very
I got
nice.
that wrong 3 times before I got it right. That was crazy.
I didn't sure where you were going with that.
The CFA exam. He's a chartered financial analyst.
Oh, wait.
No.
Close.
Why am I gripping it like this?
Give it a good.
I don't know. You're used to it.
Actually, I would be used to it if it was bigger.
All right. Okay.
John is massive.
Look at that V-shape
What the
recovery.
fuck is this long? That sentence
I'm
after
actually-
all of that actions.
I'm actually looking at potentials for shorts if we have another reversal from here, and I'll enter that bitch. I will enter that bitch. Tomorrow is Friday, right? Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. No news Friday. We'll see what happens. But Monday is the official start of Prop 2 payout. The last 2 times we did it, we got payout in minimum days. What?
Nothing.
Last 2 times we did it, we got payout in minimum days. So get excited. I can't promise anything, but that's what happened last time. So if you guys are still on evals, you still have today and tomorrow to pass those evals. And for those of you who are on fundeds, congratulations. You'll be able to 1-to-1. You will be able to go 1-to-1 with what we're doing. We're not financial advisors. Don't follow us. This is educational purposes only. And yeah. Let's see if we can go 3 for 3 on the payouts. All for entertainment purposes only. Don't even think about copy trading us. That is not why we're here. Ha! But we will show you everything and give you all the entries and TPs and walk you through the trades. But that is only for us. We're creating a documentary about our trading. Ha! We just happen to be recording it and showing it all live. It is just a coincidence, based off my contention and potentials.
Your contention.
Hmm.
Are you angry?
Ooh. Ooh. Is there gonna be a reversal?
Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Now slide to the left.
What?
Slide to the right.
What?
Crisscross. Oot, oot, crisscross. Like oot, oot.
Everybody clap your hands.
Chuk, 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 chuk.
Come on. Bless you.
Sorry. That was loud. That was so loud.
How low can you go?
Oh,
Can you go
oh,
down low?
okay,
All the way to
okay.
the floor? How low can you go? Oh, Uno reverse. The died sneeze. That was a sneeze. Not available. What would we do without you? I think we would all be lost. That was a shout. How do you sneeze? 24 seconds until this close. If we get a little bit more of a dumpy and get a nice close below 505, then I will, based off my potentials, enter a short. Based off my potential. Based off my potentials, we're getting close to the close. 5 seconds. Based on my potentials, I'm in. I'm in the short. I still at the top of that wick. Nice 41 SL. I am green. Ha! Isn't that nice? I am greenery. 6450. Based off my potential. My potential.
I know I haven't been talking much, guys, and there hasn't really
95.
been
That's
many
20
trades.
points. 20 points right there on the short. Very, very nice. Very simple. Very nice, very simple, very sexy. W short. First trim would be like right there at 65. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We are dumping. Ha ha ha. Who took that short? Did that box tell you that? The floating box has way too much power. You could never even see it coming.
Based off of his contention.
Based off of my contention, I want to see where this candle will close. Wow, I am printing. I am actually printing. Based off my contention, I am printing. Where's my mouse? I'm lost. Okay. 21, 9. Very nice. Haha, you're welcome on that trade. You're very, very welcome. Based on this close, I'm gonna put us on profit. Damn, this might be a see green, take green kind of dailius. 450 was you took it? Nice, good shit. I'm gonna move my SL to 81. If I get tapped, I get tapped. If I get hit, I get hit. It is what it is. I might get tapped here. Don't do it to me again, man. Don't do it to me again. You will suck down. I've gotten taken out. But that's okay. That was banger short. Very, very nice. 94 to 250. 44 points. Yeah.
Kind of like it. Oh, God.
You like the box. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
What the fuck is going on here?
Production is becoming a fan of the box.
John, good boss. Like, oh.
Come on. Sometimes you're skidding me. What happened? What is happening behind me?
Sometimes when I'm touching,
All right,
the
well,
only thing is too much.
whoever took that short, that was beauty. Had that trim at 65, tapped that 50. Very nice, very 60. Jeff took it, and guess what? His name is Jeff. It's very nice. I think we're done for today. Ended off on a
Whoa,
banger.
why?
I don't know. You just hit like a banger 50-point short. What else do you want from me?
I want more.
Oh, okay. He wants more. It's just that easy.
Done it again.
Sometimes when we touch.
It all just seems too much. Inks.
Ah, very
Rhymes making you do
interesting.
work.
More than 50.
No.
Very interesting.
I rejected off the 500 again.
I am also testing something new that I've done. That I
What
won't
have
talk
you
about.
done?
That I won't talk about. And the more I'm testing it, the more I'm learning how to properly use it. And it's kind of banger.
I'm buying groceries.
Very interesting. All right. I think I'm done. If you guys are gonna buy any accounts, use code PHUB. Get the best discounts.
But we're
If
in a
you're
trade.
interested, you're in a trade. Oh, Ace of Trades is in a trade. Never mind. Huh. Still use code PHUB.
The only thing it seems too much. Inks. Go for a 1-to-1 to start, and then I want to see those lows get tapped. See if it can 500. This is Chop City, guys.
Chop City bitch. Chop City bitch. 29 bitch. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Talk about it, talk about it, talk about it. Ooh, like baby.
Baby girl, what's your name? I'm T-Pain. You know me.
I'm very music. Wow, we. You like that?
Hmm. In my dream. But you know what I'm excited about for today, low key? Crimson Desert.
Oh yeah.
For real, for real. What
Oh
time does it come
shit,
out?
that's sick.
I gotta buy that bitch.
Yeah, for real. Oh, like that is for real. I did. I said I'm making you do more work, and you were not paying attention.
6 p.m. Eastern. Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah, you were not contention. Okay, I wasn't paying attention either. I would have trimmed there.
Did you watch Invincible? No, I should. I've seen season 1.
Oh,
I just didn't continue it. I'm more excited for the boys, to be honest.
When
You know
does that come out?
I think Friday. I think tomorrow. No?
Wait, what? Should we do a watch
New
party?
season of the boys?
Joking. Fucking hang.
What?
you do it odds?
So we can get banned.
Not if you
Wait, is that a thing? No way. Oh shit. We'll see.
can't be on you.
We'll see. The boys is tomorrow in OKZ. I'm actually excited. Yo, AK, you're fully caught up with Invincible, no? Is it worth? Like I know Invincible's great. The things that bother me though is I feel like there's like I feel like the animation is so mid. Yeah. They have their moments. Like that one fucking scene in season
I
1.
just touched PT guys there at 55. By the way, you guys can literally see it on screen. That is equal to your orb as well. I'm just gonna move my stop. I got tapped. I got that. But nice PT, little 1-to-1 trade right there. We are still moving sideways. Like, look at your 5 minutes, all in place. I do like if it continue to closes through or underneath 75, but she's just so tested. I don't know about her test. Plus, it all just seems too muchings.
Open. That makes sense. No, it seems too much. If you like Dispatch, you will like Invincible.
There we go. Let's see
That
if we
actually
can
makes
get it
sense.
again, guys. Stay under. See if it can get that break through 55 now. I'm going to keep my stop super tight in case it does get that pop. Back up. There's 55. Right there. And let's see the 50 touch. My stop literally to that 55-ish level. Oh. Sorry. I got tapped anyway. Might end there. I said might. John, how come you're not saying anything? The
I'm doing
people miss
something.
you.
We should speak about trading setups. There's a thread for that. We are moving like this because overnight was insane.
It really was.
I understand. My understandables are understanding. What about you?
I don't know if I can comprehend.
You guys box bullied him too much. Dude, my box is legit. And production now likes my box.
Do you think that with your box, you've accomplished more than what you
Hold on.
have in the past like 5 years? There's a nice long, guys.
That sentence about my box is kind of crazy.
I'll eat your box.
Okay. That is kind of wild.
I think I'm gonna end it here. All right, guys. I love you guys. Today was a day.
Today was a day. We actually
Make
did a
sure to
banger.
buy props using PHUB.
If you're interested in premium where we share
Breakdown?
absolutely
There
everything,
is no
do
breakdown.
breakdowns, do some
It's
coaching,
chop.
do some Q&As.
John, give a breakdown of your trade because your trade was probably the most set up.
My trade was very, very simple. We hit a 1 hour basing candle.
Show your screen
Okay.
and then show your
With this-
heart.
Actually, I can just... Okay, hold on. Let me manually...
I want to see your heart.
Really? Is that the truth? Is that the truth? I'll make it very, very clean and very, very simple. Clean that bitch. All right. Bowser. This is NQ. Welcome to my chart. This box is a 1 hour basing candle. We tapped it. This was the first trade that I took. Actually, let me show the original. It was this one. So we tapped the base, closed outside of it, broke below the 500. Then we had that insane candle that took me out. Second time around, this was the entry. Again, just close outside the base after testing the CE, which makes it more valid. Close below 500, take the short, print it all the way down. This was the first TP, this swing low. Then it was 450, which was like around here. Very, very nice. We ended up going all the way down to 406, basically near that 400. Went back up. This was the second time. that it confirmed. So again, re-entry at 94, dump down to 450. Even though like candle wise, it doesn't look like much because the ATR is actually like pretty high. Even this small move here on entry is 45 points. And that's it. It is. Where is the box? The box is on my trade evade, not my trading view. Yeah, very simple. PA was kind of mid today, but it is what it is. You see your shit and you take it.
Then you take a
And
shit.
also, I had my other chart which showed like, all the other levels, but there's like not really levels here. Like previous day value area highs and clocks and all that shit is like way above. So today was basically just a basing candle kind of day, a psych level kind of day, and a take what you take kind of day. That black box, what was that again? That's an hourly base, a base on the 1 hour.
You ever feel like sometimes when you're touching, it will never
Hi, guys.
seem too muching. See ya.
We will see you tomorrow. Make sure you show up for the Friday stream. Free game Fridays. Ha ha ha. We
Wait,
love
they're
you.
asking. So what was the box again?
A basing candle on the 1 hour. So your trades are based off the base candle.
They said, "Can you share your screen?" That's what they're saying on socials. I'm reading it.
Oh wait, did you? Oh, you didn't. Oh, so okay.
Someone said, "I don't
That's
see what
fine.
you're talking about for the
Oh,
review."
shit. That's why you have to be in the Discord. Hold on, I gotta reopen my shit. Okay, let's go through this one more time.
Here we go.
Oh, I got you, socials. Don't you worry.
Sorry, Connie. We'll be right with you.
Sometimes when we touch. All right, let me know when I'm ready. Let me know when I'm set up.
Yo, John.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let me fucking share in Discord too. Why not? All right, I'm gonna go through this again for the socials. Don't worry. It's fine. It's very very simple. So this box is a base off the 1 hour. I made it simple. I just removed everything usually because I have two things. I'll like have levels up, whatever. I'll have this indicator which I haven't talked about yet, but it's actually pretty banger. Let me go through this very simple. This is a 1 hour base. The first trade I took was this. Close outside after we tested it. I had my SL at the high. That was a L. Got taken out after we had a random massive 80-point candle. After we went and retested near the CE, we closed below again. This was the other short. That was a banger. SL at that high. TP. That was a 90-point move. Originally, I just BE'd past here, which I shouldn't have, which is okay. First TP was here. Second TP was 450. And then we went basically all the way to 400. Third time around, same shit. Go up inside the box, test near the CE again, bail, close back outside, another short, SL the high, and then that was 45 points. And then usually what I'll do is I'll BE after hitting certain areas. So like this is a base technically. It's just on a lower time frame. So like once we get near here, that's like a potential point to reverse and bounce, which as you see, wow, look at that reverse. So this is where you'd BE or you trail or you trim, take some profits. And yeah, very, very simple. I base a lot of my trades around basing candles. And then, like, for example, these levels, look where they are. They're all the way up here. We're not even near any of them. So there was no reason to even have them on my chart. I'll also run like a daily view up just to see. See, look, we're riding it. Boom, reclaim, bounce off it again. Very simple. Very, very simple. There you go, socials. So your strat is basing candles. It's a part of it for sure, like a big part of it. Today it literally just was because we weren't even in like any areas where I could use potentials of something else.
Someone on stream just asked, "What is your favorite?"
My favorite strategy that I've utilized.
You say it's your.
Yeah, I'd say currently what I'm using, which I'd say like the foundation of what I'm using is basing candles, and then on top of that is levels, and the fib, that indicator, which is banger.
Yep. And
yeah,
they said, typically, what does your R to R look like? How many trades are you willing to lose before you win? And what are your stats?
typical R to R, honestly, it varies. I would say like minimum on average is like a 1 to 2. Sometimes when like a nice A plus setup shows up, you'll get like a banger. There was one, I don't know what day it was on. I was like back testing yesterday, just looking at certain shit, and like a lot of times you'll get like a 5, like a 1 to 5 R, like a 1 to 6, 1 to 4, 1 to 3. But like anything below a 1 to 2, I'll still take it if it's valid. Like if it's a valid TP, if I take a short off that basing candle, and let's say the 400 was like 30 points away, 35 points away, I'll probably like super hard trim at that level and then trail. So I just kind of base it around where we are on the chart, the levels, psych levels, things like that. What was the other question?
Not available just said, what do you think you would like to improve on in strat?
Definitely taking more of what I'm given. I'm like kind of testing right now. I'm testing like trails and BEs because there is an indicator that I technically didn't show because it's in beta and I'm working on it and it's a custom script and I don't want to talk about it yet. But I'm testing on it. And there was twice today where like for example, that trade I got BE'd even though I shouldn't have got BE'd and I let go of like 30 points, which would have made me like nice green on the day. But I am testing, so I don't mind. But definitely capturing more of the points that I'm given is something I want to work on, which I am testing.
And the last question that I have here on the socials is, how come sometimes when you touch, it always seems too much?
Because I'm typing while I'm shitting.
But we're not
Very
always shit
nice.
while we're typing. And that is today's stream here at PHUB. If you guys are going to purchase any props, make sure to use the code PHUB. We've done it again. And enjoy your Thursday, everyone. It is now 11 a.m. And guess what? We are now ending stream. Adios and goodbye. Ciao, my Europeans.
Bobo.
Adobo chicken nugget.
Putangina mo.